If we want to change the entire design for the About page, we can simply go to each section and click on this X, like so. Then we can go over here to Media Library, to Pages, and add a new page from over here. For example, this About Us page. Let's click on Insert. Let's click on Apply. And we can see the new layout over here. We can see that this one also has a footer over here created. We can also see that in structure. We do not need this as we already have one. So let's click on those axes, like so. We can also see that it has a header, which is this logo over here. We don't need this section either because we already have a header. So let's click on X. Then we can simply customize everything that we might need by simply clicking on it and see where we are. This is a heading widget, a text editor widget, this is an image. If we want to change this background color over here, we simply have to click over here in order to edit the container, like so, and going to style, we have the color over here, like so. Same goes over here. It's an image, a heading, a text editor. Same go over here, image, heading, text editor, and this one is a new widget. By clicking on it, we can see that it's an icon list. So by clicking on this item over here, and by clicking over here to icon, we can change the icon from over here. We can change the text from over here. We can edit it with AI from over here. We can add a link over here, and by clicking on this wheel, we can add it to a new window. We can also use dynamic tags. If we want to duplicate an item, we simply have to click on this button, like so. We can also delete an item by clicking on the X. We can also add a new item by clicking on Add New Item. We have the options to have them default, like so, or inline, like so, and the link to apply for full width or for inline. By going to Style, we have the space between, like so, the alignment, like so, and the divider. For the divider, we have the style of the divider, the weight, and the width, and of course the color. For the icon, we have the color for the normal state, the size, and the gap. For the hover, we can change the color, like so, and the transition duration. Okay, we can also have horizontal alignment, like so, vertical alignment, like so, and adjust vertical position, like so. For the text, we have the option for typography. We can use global fonts from over here or custom typography from over here. We can choose to have a text shadow if you want to, the color for the normal state, and the color for the hover, like so. And in advanced, we have margin and padding. Then over here we have once again a heading widget, a text editor widget, and a button widget.